Assalamu alaikum students. In order to attempt your HRCA quiz, you need to log into your HRCA IDs. To do that, type HRCA in Google search bar and click on the first link that appears. Once the screen has loaded, look for the login button on the top right corner and click on it. You'll see a welcome page. Here, you need to type in the credentials that have been provided to you. Type in your username and password and click login. Please save your username and ID and the password that has been provided to you somewhere safe. Upon logging in, you'll see the welcome to the HRCA quiz. Please check for your name, school, your class group, and your subject. Read the instructions carefully. You're supposed to select only one correct option for each question. There are 30 questions, so please manage your time equally. 5 marks will be deducted for every question that has been answered wrongly or if you have left the question. If you select more than one answer for any question, the answer will automatically be considered wrong and 5 marks will be deducted. In order to avoid and detect cheating, the HRCA software is going to monitor your camera, mic, and the screen you're looking at. For example, if you try to Google an answer, this will be detected by the HRCA software. There will be reports of suspicious behavior detected during the test and you will be eliminated immediately. Please read through the instructions carefully and click on Start the quiz.